OpenAI's new Agent Builder. OpenAI's new Agent Builder is an exciting visual tool that allows creators and developers to rapidly design, test, and deploy powerful AI agents through a simple drag and drop interface. Something like this, thus eliminating months-long complexity traditionally required for agent development. But if you have already experienced Make.com or N8N, such low-code or no-code tools, this will be something similar. Only difference is this is coming from OpenAI itself. I will demonstrate a super quick way of how it works, how you can create an agentic system using this. And I will also show an interesting way how you can convert this into a code and make it into a command line application, or make it into an endpoint, so that when you invoke the endpoint, this agent gets triggered. So that is unique. Hi, welcome to Techie Talks AI. I'm Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we showcase hands-on demos and insights into AI automation and no-code tools. We have created several Make.com modules to simplify no-code automation for you. Subscribe and join us on this journey into the future of technology. Remember, so this was just launched yesterday. So here is a step-by-step demo to show how anyone can quickly get started with Agent Builder and build their first smart workflow. What is OpenAI Agent Builder? OpenAI Agent Builder is a part of Agent Kit, combining a visual canvas, drag and drop workflow editing, and template-driven agent workflows that lets users connect tools, logic, memory, and models, all without heavy coding. It is designed for ultra-fast iteration, reducing cycles as much as 70%. And with built-in versioning, preview runs, and configurable safety guardrails. Agent Builder supports both solo developers and enterprise teams. This is their page with all the features. The key features include visual canvas, compose agents workflows using nodes for models, tools, and logic. All visually ideal for collaboration and rapid prototyping. Templates start from blank or pick from ready-to-use templates, production-tested templates. Connect a registry, easily integrate data and external APIs. Supported connectors include Dropbox, Google Drive, SharePoint, Microsoft Teams, and more. And important, guardrails, modular configurable policies for safety, privacy, and compliance built directly into node and workflow logic. Memory management. Agents can remember user context and past interactions with granular privacy controls. Evaluation tools preview, test, and iterate flows with built-in grading, prompt optimization, and version tracking. And code-free embedding. Export and embed agent chat surfaces in any product through ChatKit. That is what we will see today. Or code developers can use Agents SDK in Node, Python, or Go. We will have a demo on this. Imagine building your own AI-powered assistant in just minutes. No coding, no weeks of orchestration, thanks to OpenAI's Agent Builder. Today, I will show you how to create, customize, and launch production-grade AI agents with just a few clicks. Whether you are an educator, developer, or business leader, this tool, how you build with AI forever. Getting started, demo step by step. You search OpenAI AI agent in Google and you will come to this page that I am showing here. You need to have an OpenAI account and come to platform.openai.com to sign in. So this is platform.openai.com. And when you click agent, you will come to this visual designer canvas. Click on create a new agent to come to this blank canvas. So here you can add these nodes like this, drag and drop, etc. But if you have already used any other no-code or low-code tool, this interface should be familiar. You can connect these nodes, etc. I am creating a very simple workflow, it starts. Here it will ask for an input text. So here this input as text is the variable that I'm setting. If we want, we can add more variables by clicking here. And then I added one if else block. And in that I am putting a condition, integer workflow.input as text. If it is less than 50, I will proceed to the agent. Simple demo. These simple demos will come handy when you want to learn something new. Else I am terminating. And in this, my agent, that is, if the number is below 50, I invoke this agent, and here I am saying you are a helpful assistant. You convert the number into Roman digits, binary, and I will say octal, octa, and hexadecimal numbers. Okay, and in the output format, I will also add octa number. Okay, now here we can click on preview, and here it is asking for the input number. If I enter, say, 40, see, if else condition, this agent got invoked, Roman, hexa, binary, and octa, 50, 40. Okay, so decimal 40 is octa 50. Okay, so we created a super quick agent, tested it. Now we will click on close preview and click on get code. And here, this is the chat kit that we can embed. Like here, this workflow ID using which we can embed. But what we will do is we will click here. Here we have TypeScript and Python. We will copy this and execute it in our Python code. I have copied this here. Okay, so I have just copied this as a Python code. Now I will run this sh. Run.sh will install the requirements using pip install and run the demo1.py script. Okay, so there is an error. Okay, so that comma is not needed. It is executing this. See here, input 7, and 7 decimal is octa 7 itself. Binary 111. Input 42. See here, and here we are giving a bad input, hello, and it's saying it must be an integer. Okay, so if you look at the code, at the bottom, this is the main function that gets invoked, calling our workflow, which we copied it. Why I had to edit this was, I tested this without octa before recording, and with live during recording, I added this octa just to show you how the edit works. And so this main, I have sampled 7, 42, 50, hello. Then iterate through these samples, calling our workflow. So run workflow is a mechanism that invokes the workflow that we created. So this has nothing to do with the agent that we created in OpenAI SDK Live. That stays with them. This is running locally on our system using the OpenAI's agent framework. Okay, so that is a direct execution where our workflow and the commands sit next to each other. What if we want to expose this as an endpoint? So that is what I have created, an API.py simple script, few lines, where I'm importing the demo script, where run workflow and workflow input both are imported, and /convert is the endpoint that we can use to test. Okay, I'm exposing port 888. So let's run that. Okay, so it's listening to port 888. So now from another terminal window, let's call this convert endpoint. Okay, application JSON, this is the input. Say input as text 17. So here we have designed the agent using a drag and drop output. Output is there. Let's pass it through JQ. Okay, I will give -s so that we get a clean output. So here output Roman hexa binary octal. You see, this is a super quick demo, less than 24 hours of releasing. Give your valuable thoughts and comments. So you see the potential just using the agent builder. We could use no code and drag and drop mechanism to build the agent workflow that we want. Then copy the code and put it in your production grade agentic application. So ready to build your next AI powered agent? Try OpenAI's Agent Builder today and let your imagination run wild. Share in the comments what kind of agent will you build next, and remember to share and subscribe. That really helps. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Your support really helps. Have ideas or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. Let's build together. At Shogini, we offer expert no-code-make.com and Python AI automation consulting with ready-to-use modules to jumpstart your projects. Stay tuned and subscribe for more.